Okay, in this video I am going to show you how you can get the API key for your project for absolutely free. So let's get started. So the first we have Nvidia. Nvidia provide the top tier models absolutely for free. Here you can get all the topmost models like Mini Max 2.5, Kimi 2.5 and DeepSeek version 3.2 and all of the models absolutely for free. To get started, you first have to sign up on this Nvidia platforms. You don't need to worry about the links. I will give all the links in my description box. You can go from there. So in order to create the API, you can go to the explore sections. And then here you need to click on create a new API key, generate key. And here our API key will be generated and you can copy from here. And then you can use this API key for accessing all the models. And if you need code, you can also view code from here and you can directly use it in your project. And if you want to delete the API key, it is very easy. You can go here and click on delete API key and you can also generate new API key. Moving to the next, the second one is Groq. Here you can also get many top models for free. Here you can see all those models which you can use for free, and you can also see its limit. Here you can request 10 requests per minute and 100 requests per day. Here also there is mentioned its release date. You can also check individually of each models. You can also chat directly with all these models from its playgrounds. To get started, you first sign up on this website. I will give the link of it in my description box, and go to the playground sections here, playground section, and after that here you can see its corresponding code, and then you can click on API key for creating the API key, and then create API key and give the name of your API key. And then you can set your expiry for your API key. I will set as no expiry date and submit. And here we go, our API key is created. Now copy the API key and use it in your project. If you need the code reference, then you can check this code reference for each individual models, and you can also check the usage of your API from here usage sections. Moving to the next platform, you have GitHub models. GitHub models allow to use many topmost models absolutely for free. Since it is free, it have some tier limits, some rate limits. You can check individually of each models which you want to use. So to get started, you can go to this marketplace of the GitHub from my description box, and then choose your required models. Like I will choose OpenAI O4 model, and then you can click on use this model, and you have to create personal access tokens. Then you have to log in your GitHub account. So let me log in and give the name of your tokens, and then create and generate token. And here we go, our personal access token is generated for these models. So you can copy this a personal access tokens and use it in your project for accessing those model. Now moving to the next, we have Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio provide a variety of the AI models for absolutely free, including the vision and video. You can check all the models from here. And to get started, you can go to this Google AI Studio. I will provide this in my description box, and then click on dashboard, and here you can click on create API key and give the name of your API key and choose your project. You can create a new project or you can choose your existing project. I will give it name as text and then create project. That's it. You now click on create key, and here we go, our API key is created. You can copy your API key by clicking on copy key, and if you need to delete it, you can directly delete it from here. And you can also create your new API key by clicking on here. You can check your rate limit for your API from these sections by clicking on rate limit, and uses, you can check your all usage for your API key. So the final one is OpenRouter. Many of you already know that OpenRouter is a popular and topmost LLM provider. You can get many premium models in OpenRouter for free. Here you can see you can also get Anthropic model. Here you can see Anthropic Cloud is only 4.6, and you can get the model based on categories. Like if you want image model, you can get it from here, file and text models, and also there is audio models. To get the API key, you can click on here, go to the setting, and then here you can click on API key, and then click on create and give the name of your API key. And you can also set expiry date of your API key, but I will keep it as no expirations. Then I will click on create and copy the API key. Now that's it. You can use this single API key for accessing the different models. So the last extra one is a Cloudflare. Here you can also get various serverless models for free, and you can get based on the categories. Here you can select your categories, which model you want to use. So in order to use, I will select the models, and I will go to the usage sections, and here I will copy the code, and I can directly use it in my project. If this don't suit you, you can use the previous platforms where I have shown how to get the API for free. You can use that. This is it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and if this video helps to you, please make sure to like the video and subscribe my channel, and comment the topic which you want to see in the next video. So keep learning and exploring. We'll see you in the next.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.